Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we dive deep into the world of digital marketing and explore how PPC agencies in India are the ultimate game changers. If you are a business owner looking to scale or a marketer seeking to optimize your campaigns, stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of pay-per-click advertising. So the first question out here is, what exactly is PPC? PPC or pay-per-click is an online advertising model where advertisers pay a fee each time their ad is clicked. It's a way of buying website visits rather than organically earning them. PPC ads target specific audiences on search engines, social media platforms, and various websites. When someone clicks on your ad, they are directed to your website and you are charged for that click. PPC is popular for its ability to drive targeted traffic quickly and efficiently. So, what makes PPC special? First and foremost, it is highly targeted. With PPC, you can reach the right audience at the right time with the right message. This means that you're not wasting your money and efforts on people who are not interested in your products or services. This level of targeting is not possible in traditional forms of advertising. Moreover, PPC is a cost-effective and measurable way of advertising. You get detailed insights and reports on your campaigns, allowing you to track the effectiveness of your ads. Another question could be, why to choose a PPC agency in India? Choosing a PPC agency in India offers numerous advantages. Indian agencies are known for their cost-effective services, delivering high-quality campaigns at competitive rates. They possess deep expertise in handling diverse global markets and understanding the nuances of different audiences. With access to the latest tools and technologies, Indian PPC agencies are the forefront of digital marketing innovation. Additionally, they offer scalable solutions catering to businesses of all sizes. Indian agencies are renowned for their creativity, technical skills, and commitment to driving measurable results, making them a smart choice for companies looking to maximize their PPC investments. Now, here are the key benefits of working with Indian PPC agencies. Working with Indian PPC agencies would provide several benefits. First one being cost effectiveness. Access high quality services at a fraction of the cost compared to agencies in other countries. Then comes expertise in global markets. Indian agencies have experience managing campaigns for diverse international markets, ensuring targeted and effective advertising. Third would be access to cutting edge technology. Benefits from the latest tools and innovations in digital marketing, as Indian agencies are well versed in advanced PPC strategies. Fourth comes scalability. Indian agencies offered tailored solutions adaptable to businesses of all sizes and needs. Then strong communication. You can expect clear, responsive, and transparent communication throughout your partnership. Here are some real-life examples of how Softtrix helps online retailers. Now, let's look at the real-life example. At Softtrix, we helped an online retailer triple its sales using e-commerce PPC management. Here's how they did it. Comprehensive keyword research. Softtrix identified high converting keywords and optimized the reseller's ad campaign, coming up with compelling ad copies. Softtrix crafted engaging ad copies highlighting the retailer's unique selling points. Continuous optimization. Softtrix monitored the campaigns closely, making data-driven adjustments to maximize performance. As a result, the retailer saw a 200% increase in their click-through rate and a 300% increase in sales. That's the power of effective PPC management. Now, another question is, how to choose the right PPC agency in India? To choose the right PPC agency in India, start by evaluating their track record, ensuring their proven success in your industry, understand their strategic approach, including their tools and how they measure performance. Review client testimonials and case studies to gauge their reliability and effectiveness. Assess their communication style. They should be responsive and transparent, keeping you informed at every step. Lastly, consider their ability to offer scalable solutions tailored to your business needs, ensuring they can grow with you as your PPC requirements evolve. And what to expect from a PPC agency partnership. When partnering with a PPC agency, you can expect a collaborative and result-driven approach. The agency will work closely with you to understand your business goals and tailor campaigns accordingly. They will handle all aspects of your PPC strategy, from keyword research and ad creation to campaign management and optimization. You will receive regular performance reports providing transparency and insights into your campaign success. Continuous optimization is a key focus, with the agency adjusting strategies to improve results over time. Ultimately, the partnership aims to drive targeted traffic, increase conversions, and maximize your return on investment. If you consider Softtrix for your PPC services, we offer comprehensive PPC packages tailored for the US, UK, and Australian market with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your clients' online success and business growth. In today's fast-paced digital world, having the right PPC strategy can be a game changer. And with the expertise and innovation that Indian PPC agencies bring to the table, you are sure to see transformative results. Ready to take your business to the next level? Reach out to a PPC agency in India today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of digital marketing. Thank you.